In this video, I'll show you how to fix the message verification required on the App Store. So if you're getting this error message, it usually indicates an issue with one of your payments. So maybe you've had a free trial for an application and you forgot to cancel it, and then Apple's attempted to take that payment from your account, but there wasn't sufficient balance. Then this is one of the main reasons why this error message appears. So in order to fix this, we need to head over to the Settings app on your phone, click on your profile name at the very top, click on Subscriptions. And then what you need to do on this window is, first of all, make sure you don't have any unpaid subscriptions. The second thing you want to do is cancel any subscriptions that you don't want or don't need. So you can do that just by clicking on the individual app and then go in and pressing cancel subscription or canceling free trial. So once you've done that, you can then head back over to the previous window. And this time we're going to click on payment and shipping. And now what you'll need to do here to get rid of this error message is add a new payment method. Now, when you add this payment method, you need to ensure that there's sufficient funds on that card to cover whatever money you may owe to Apple or to any of these apps that you may have had running a subscription in the background. So just go and click on add payment method, and then you can simply enter all of your card information and press done. You also want to try removing any payment methods that are either inactive or that don't have enough balance to cover the charges. You want to try removing them, and you can do that just by clicking on the payment method and then clicking remove payment method at the bottom. Now, once you've done these steps, that should have now fixed the verification required on the App Store error. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.